man. They are how long, man, when me there how long I wait for him, brother. You know, say me not do them things when me there at town. Me not turn up in a sun and wait for him, boy. I know a man can't come, brother, and the man know say, yo, me hot at town, bad man. Everywhere me go, people are looking for me, brother. Yo, some loose style, man, I go out there, West, brother. Watch out. I know, brother. Funny time, brother. Man, I have me how long I wait for him, bad man. You see one, it's 5 minutes, that's what I want. You know, somebody want to wait in 5 minutes, just want to walk by me out there, man.
Yeah, today. Like 10 or so. Yeah, man. Yeah, it's all one more to get your rim feet. But give me a minute, let me call you, okay? Alright.
Oh, think you never did have come off my phone, bad man. Yo, how you feel make me there park so long and wait for your dog?
Watch you, man. You know, say I remember, me not remember you.
Yo, you know, say me a done at town, you know, me not wait for a boy, you know.
You're done at town, you're not done at Negril. You feel like when you're done on road and you go to jail, you're done. My youth, right now, me under my bike chest, me know nobody stress me.
Brother, next time, don't do me that, brother, because I know David and don't do me that, dog. So what kind of loose move you left, man, pan bad man?
Let me ask you a question. You're a tourist?
Yo,
Are you a tourist?
Bad man, what kind of tourist business is that, pan, brother? You know, say I'm run my show and me there town, bad man. You can't leave me stranded, bro. I expect better than that from you, brother. You make me all walk in a hot sun.
Bro, listen up. I not left you stranded. I there try to deal with my bike, brother. I never remember nothing.
Brother, me call the phone, bad man. I should have sent somebody come pick me up.
I 1, 2, 3, me get in and I not get no call. I not see phone a ring. I 1, 2, 3, me say forward.
Me not reason with that no more. Where David?
David, I tell us I'm deal with something, so that's why he beg me if he pick you up.
So you have the key?
Me have left the key with him, brother. I tell David the next time in a
So you have left the key with. When me I go sleep? Want some rest,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, Mr. Me have the key.
Oh. Say so give me key, bad man. Me not in a long argument with the bad man. Give me key if you give me key, bad man.
Yeah, I see why they really run your front town, okay? Yeah, no sense.
No boy, I no girl can run me front town. No boy, I no girl can run me front town. And me run my show at town.
Feel like town and nigga like same thing, boy. Watch it with the town badness. One nigga player.
Yes, a new king is in town. How am I? Oh, that was a dream, but how am I? Belly all hurt me. Dream the wicked right now. I feel like mother shit, but me all feel hungry at the same time, man. And if not there. What's that? Smell the sun chips. Oh shit, man. Oh shit.
Awesome.
You go out here.
Me there, you know. What going on?
I'm there. I'm curious when I get them to you. I know say your favorite.
Thanks. You get you something?
You money?
Yeah.
Yeah, babes, you know what I get you, but you know what I say? I'm not tell you no lie. My brother called me last night. I say, yo, police are circle him and he get some good information. So if he turn on yard tonight, they're going to kill him.
So when me go and get you?
Hold on, man. Hold on, look at it for you, good. I tell you what about. I have some of my money, but I don't have a whole lot now. My brother tell me, say, yo, if you're not forward, I left the place, I'm going to get rid of him. I police don't want him. I tell me, see my bad man and sitting. And if them are come for him, so I tell him, say, he can't forward tonight. So I don't know when I go sleep last night, but he's supposed to sleep on him. I have to forward in the evening. So, the money in the house, I tell us I'm going to give you $5 grand. But what's you know? I tell my plan for you.
I don't want 10 or 15 million.
15. No anything or anything, man. But I can't give you all right now. I just start I think because my brother forward. And then I will make some arrangements for him. And then make a style. So I just that man thing us through. How you do? Just there and come on the beach.
Wash off my foot, wash off the salt and put the water, salt and oil.
You can't use salt water and wash off salt.
I let me understand water thing too.
Water?
I let me know, let me know.
Don't worry about it, man. So I send him $5 grand in my account. And the rest, I just start out. But I just that me I tell us, my brother.
Okay.
So if you come down tonight, I'm going to see you, not sure?
Yeah, man, you will see me.
Tired. That's also. I'm in the room tight, pull up too. Next one, bring us up. Yo, who this in here, sir?
Yo, who that?
Yo, who this in my house?
Who that?
Yo, who in my house?
Who that?
Boy, if you know me door, me a forward in there now.
Yo, you sure alright, do you knock?
Yo, that. Are you that?
Bro, no do that.
Yo, me dog, yo, bore me dog, bore February. Yo, my forward dog. Right now, you make me there panic in my house and sitting.
Yo, you can't frighten me, so bro.
You know what, dog, bro, I threw me forward in my house and me I say, yo, stink. You wonder how I go and then. I come on and peep. I say like chips in your mouth and sitting dog. Me and I say, yo, no, somebody have been here.
Bro, I'm in there, bro. You know me hungry, dog, and...
So, how you hungry, dog? You know, dance around town. How you feel hungry, dog? Actually, you don't know you're not which part of the shop.
Bro, you know me don't hear no bad man. You know, live them a cruff life here when me there at town, no bad man.
Man, you ambassador not like we there at town. Ambassador not like we know about your lifestyle, dog. Actually, you're a bad boy, you're down here, so that's why you have to go.
Bad man, bad or no bad, first thing first, when me there at town, me are done in my place. Me don't have chips, dog. A Russian stagnant is, bro.
So, yo, me know say you're done in your place, but you couldn't tidy up my place. You don't feel like that could have do good, because I look like you're asleep and frowns up in that, dog. But you didn't know you're doing this, because I look like me cut you, dog.
Bad man, this year, this me, no brother. I wouldn't make me there and try this off of me, bad man.
This off of you with what, bro?
When me pull up on the ends, bad man, me drop asleep. When me get time to clean up the ends, man.
Nah, man, when you get this out, you're good, though.
Yeah.
You're married, not sure. But that even feels that. You're done, dog. You're finished. So you're all going, tomorrow me go up on the road and go look through, girl. You see me? But not tell them boy your lifestyle back up so you know, dog. You see me? Because I'm say your heart road side way. So from there, reach down. You see me?
Yo. I want something to eat, bad man.
So you want to buy it for you?
And this is the only thing I need for me coming, bad man. But you know we are soldier, dog. That we
Yo, you can't hold on, man. I mean, are you want to give me money? Then freeze the account.
Bro, I truly even know bad man. You know, say I run off coming, bad man. You know, come
Yo, don't worry about that, dog. Tell her, we grab something for you. We make you get something for them, dog. You see me?
No, wait, you know, bad man. Nobody peel me like the next dog, you know.
It's cool, man. Chop. Nah, man. Watch out. Yo! Hey, lucky door, dog.
Well, I know, so I told me that whole of here.
I want to see food there.
Come like a dead new up to dead young brother. So I take the food, bad man.
I show you know come from we're gonna a different type of place. But you are go and say this so. You can sleep in this room after today. Tomorrow you know must get up and see me.
Yeah.
Yeah, come here go up on the road so we use some business. Matter of fact, might be a couple of days and see me too. But me there back still.
So how long you gonna take?
Me there that what you should stop me and get up and go up on the road early.
But man, I can't leave me stranded, so me gonna name later on tomorrow.
Yeah, we find a way, man. Must say I done from town. Make two link down. You find a way.
You want joke kind of word, but I know.
Yeah, but that's still. So I just say phone number to come. Yeah, go back.
Respect people.
Yeah. Who that? Bernie.
Yo.
I 12 o'clock evening, dog, or night, or whatever time. You make it up yet?
But man, I must get some rest, brother.
What kind of rest, dog?
Tired, brother.
See, I couldn't be it. None of them I'm saying yesterday.
But man, I want to not come down with as much clothes, bro.
Nah, man. Anyways.
Yeah, me cute, bro. I run them from town, you know, but
Brother, nah, man. Brother, you can't keep the place clean, dog. Oh, man. Anyways, I'm sitting in my comfort, dog. I'm left in your room. I'm in here, but I take over. What's your man say to that? Bro, some play there. Me no bother you. Me no know if you are gonna do nothing, but if you don't, do that if you can watch it.
But man, I bring me come here for what
What kind of bring come vote down?
like a maid or slave.
You know what? Nah, man.
Yeah, bad man at town, you know, David.
Brother, a nigga this or that, we keep on telling this nigga run different, bro.
Yeah, me, you feel like say me a daddy, me at town, me don't do nothing, you know.
Give me one.
Speaking of the devil,
What?
me there, what?
I'm there, man. I come from, but I tell some brother I come down. But they made about, boy, I mean, I know, that boy, he don't want to do nothing in that house. Right now, he doesn't feel bad.
So you do something in the house?
Yeah, of course, on my place now, I have to keep it clean.
So are you alone eat and cook and everything in the house?
I mean, well, yesterday, I didn't cook. You say I'm there on the road.
You play them, are you alone eat out of all of them?
No.
Okay. So I'm a king?
I don't know, king, but, you know, I'm a look brother that I can't talk with him now. Yeah.
Oh, you not on that then?
I don't know still, but he man just has some style. And then he ever chat about how back in a film place, I'm a king. Can you tell me say I'm a king back in a film place, you know?
Not a back in a film place and a your place in the night.
Well, them not sitting there, me tell him, but I don't know. It just, that
You
boy,
better just come from friend and say, do.
foreign.
Yeah.
If I foreign, no one call it. I thought he come from.
So he come, I work, he go work.
I don't know what he go do now.
You better must come down. So where sitting there, this saying argument?
Oh, yeah, that's how next season too. Yeah, me send it to your account.
Ah!
Don't worry about it, man.
A 50 me this saying about me see one pack of nails for 5 grand and I want them to so 20 that.
Don't worry about that, man.
Plus 5 of it
Yeah, make sure it's
to
the same,
25.
If I did that one time, some PF come in any moment now, and the time I did set so, a transaction is scheduled, so you get you any moment.
25.
20.
5. The next 5 of buy things for you, so when you come over there and see you're hungry.
No, man, you're not hungry, man. So we said
Well, me want to do.
we said 15 I'm going to tell about. So, yeah, I basically that. I just feel my way about my brother. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, where you have to go. Use this, you see the things that you do, clean up after yourself. And then, like, if plate left back in the sink or in use, can then go put them pan in bed. Simple.
I don't know about that, sir.
You're too soft, and that's why people always deal with you, sir.
You feel so?
Yeah.
You really feel so? Me no
What
believe
time I
that.
have to tell you?
No, me no believe that. Look, I just nice, me nice. Me no want things say I
Just talk.
What's that, my look, brother?
Little brother on my backside. So call my little brother, you're the bigger one, so you have to do everything. You favor he that.
Yeah, I'm feel bad too. But no worry about that. So what you have to do with the money? You know? You'll get some shit now.
Buy the sitting on me the one, buy the food and go get the nails and sitting.
So you deal with that?
I want party I keep later, I do want to go to.
You know about that. Me and we chat about that on the phone. You don't know about
A
that.
couple more hours left back in now.
Me and we chat on the phone. I me not feel good now. Me head right, my head not there right to say now.
Alright. Where they go?
You get something now?
Yeah, that me I go do.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Bye bye.
What else do you want? Is that one you using?
Tiana. Hello. Girl, hi. Tiana. Akela from school days.
Did mama?
Girl, what go on?
Me there.
Come on.
Yes, mama.
For me there, do little shopping for me little niece.
Yeah, I do shopping for my son, mama.
Have picnic?
Yes, girl.
Oh God. So how life I go on? As long as I come, I don't see have picnic.
Yeah, me say
Are your brother you talk for that?
I want a boyfriend.
You have boyfriend? You was so shy, fine man.
We can't share together, mama.
My God, so how life with you and him? They look fat up and round up.
Me just see that they look grown up, mama.
But me not a man, me not need a man right now, but me happy to say you find a man.
Yes, girl. So you know everything.
Girl, everything in my life, alright. You know me and Dottie Joe from high school days.
You and Joe still like that?
Nope, me and Joe stop talk. Joe give me born with him best friend, so.
The best friend?
Yes, the one that want. You need all of them to come me?
Mama, he house big, so you have to act all of them.
So you give me born with him best friend, so me just any relationship. This same girl with that tell me about a million
Look, dirty girl.
Kisa. Yeah, Kisa.
We did tell you.
Oh God, but
You smell good?
no, put it back. You know like I want to put back one day. If you buy the one done at the Chinese over the one over China.
Next Chinese.
Yeah.
I think you buy them too. Boy, them look like it's rotten.
So how you and your man?
He alright.
Oh.
But the man have one brother to come from town in Tibi. He said it stress him out to make him feel some type of way. I don't want to do nothing. Oh, you want to know his name so?
The name sound family, but I don't know who I never say.
Brown maga boy and he head flat up in name Tibi.
Girl,
And
I
he
don't know.
was big.
I don't know the name ring a bell, but I don't know who. As I can remember, say a whole heap of people, Marga and Brown, a whole heap of people named Tibi. So I don't know for the Tibi who I know, you know. But make it honest. But anyways, girl, me we catch up here.
Alright, Mama.
Alright.
See you.
All of that. Oh boy, I'm tired. It's a good thing to put something in a taxi. Should wait there. Tibi. How that name sounds so familiar. Tibi. Where me know Tibi from? Oh. When I go and call Stephanie. A Stephanie me here with a name there. Go and call Stephanie.
I tell you, no, man. Man, in the big boy get up and can't wash place, yo. Man, not even get up yet.
Come in, guys. Top up his crib. Alright, big way, Mr. Say I top, man. Say I top up his crib. Enough respect. Appreciate it. Top up his crib, guys. Yo, catch up on the triple up. Hello. Hold on there, guys. Hold on there.
Hello, excuse me. David are here?
David, no, it's about me there.
I know you want to come to. David, come to.
Why is he there?
That one of your business. In the year you sorry me.
No, but me there.
Me not ask about you, me ask about him.
So, me not tell us say no, you not there, but me there.
Me not come to you.
So what make sure you come to W and W no day and me and tell us say me no come to me there I will talk about you no come to me. I raise you why you feel why you there you know.
So why you keep on telling me say you there?
So what me can tell us say you there.
Me see say you there. How come me not talk to Duffy?
So come will I see it man.
No, me good. God give me respect.
You know say tell the truth. Yeah, no. Yo, me a cut down, enough respect. Yeah, man. Me a cut down, look come more. Yeah, funny life, me live there, you know. Nobody know me a chat about for sure you how me stay.
That can't do it now, yes.
So, you not feel give me no attitude.
But I tell you one bag of unnecessary things, I'm just come and ask you one question and I can't make a weird round the world.
If you never want to go way around the world, you want to turn up right to so right now.
Yeah, talk to me. What you did I say?
Is there a reason why you turn up here so you know? Because you want to go way
Yes, let me
around
tell
the
you the
world.
truth. What is the truth?
Alright. Now what you like still you know about you like when you're brown and your shape good and me like slim girl. Slim girl are my type. I too like when them fat.
Slim man are not my type there.
Slim man are not your type.
No.
No bother with that man. That's just some man. Slim man are not your type.
No.
Now make this a slim man and be your type.
You can't be my
Girl,
type.
Browning. What's your name? As a,
You not even know that.
you not have me not have to know that.
No.
Well, me I'll tell her something. You feel like some come about the place you always small and where I be a little idiot there always small and a bad man place me come from a town where me lack off much millions and how much rifle. You feel me off there so I true me give myself too much trouble when me there and town. Me a done in my place you know. Me a bad boy up on my place that me a make you know.
You can't ask for something bad boy in your place.
I ask.
So none of that fi frighten me.
No, I mean I try frighten me. Not because I see me look so simple. Don't take me simple. Because me a done at my place. You know how much millions me have up there?
That still not interest me.
You they come to Davi right now, I know Davi can't do nothing for you. Davi can protect you. Davi can feed you.
He's a hard-working child, man. You're good with...
Even if you're hard working, he can feed, he can protect you.
I can't listen to another such chat.
Where they go? Where they
No
go?
manners.
Who not have no manners? Where your name?
You not have to know that.
As a matter of fact, girl, me a bad man in my place now. And you have to tell up, yes sir, let me talk to you. You can't walk off from me and me not talk to you. I'm this girl, nobody know you. Nobody don't know you, you know. And I done like I know running from my place, come down and start chatting and
So anything
attitude.
where you ask it, all that concern.
Who know you? Who know you
that
always?
concern.
Nobody know you from town. You go on. You're red like a duck's nest. Yeah, what you look so?
Me bex, man, me bex.
No, I'm telling. Hold on, I can tell you. Come here, some baby. Just put the guinea for me. Me have some good news. Me have some good news, baby. You must say to them I have one terrible day. Come here and tell about my brother just workless and all nothing. But you know, so since mommy dead and gone, I just me and brother alone up until a couple years ago. Brother moved to town and me I look for him and me can't cuss him. Me know you ask me I eat that, but I'm my brother. What me I go do, baby?
Hold it.
Baby, hold on.
Me never say you eat it. Me say you hack like a heat, but you eat it.
Baby, hold on, man. Let me tell him. So me I think about all them sitting there. So the Holy Spirit send me to go pray. And while on my knees are talking to God, God say, yo, just give people time, people can change. So me just go pick some guinea and honestly, like, me feel so much better, baby. Cause, you know,
I walk and blow up my head too.
cause baby, honestly, God know, and my brother that, me not see nobody in this world to make me hate my brother. A matter of fact, if somebody come to me with some news and me not like one brother, believe me, say me go to just them off and dash them like this. Like that bunch of guinea there. You see how many love the guinea there, I'm not in business about it. That's how me cut them off. Anybody if it come to me about now, bad news about my brother, cause I'm my
Take
brother.
up it, I'm not cooking. Take it
Yeah,
up.
don't worry about that. So what kind of good news you say you have?
Oh, I see that tell you. This is one friend down here, go to me and I meet up in our store.
Yeah.
I see that me and I did that ketchup and something. So I just cook that means that that's why I'm a bake. I know you go upset.
Baby, I leave that, man. I leave that, man. Don't worry about it. I like how
Mr.
that.
Let's say me not cook, so you better take up it.
Baby, I like my face and some bad news, not me head.
No, I think alright.
Yeah, guys, stop up the script. Enough respect. No respect for that money going there, enough.
You see, I forgot to TikTok live.
Yeah, bro. Yeah.
Where are you?
Yo, come show your face, though.
Oh, yeah. The camera friendly. You know what they apple.
Yo, enough respect for that.
Well, you know what they apple, my dog.
Yo.
You're good.
Yeah, man. You kind of go, man.
Alright. Bro, you know what I'm saying? Me not tell you this man get up and corrupt dog, but me just feel like me now in good mood today, dog. You know, like certain things me start look past and now, cause I realize I got good every day, dog.
True.
God no. So how you deal with that? You ain't see me one come over here.
Hey, which man that? How she look?
One brown girl, man. Look, kinda tall. Look, now you look tall, but look a bit shorter than me. Brown.
Yeah.
See me one.
No, sir, I don't see her.
You know same?
No, sir, nobody no come today.
I'm thinking you send you a check me today, you know, but I know I'm all praise too. So what go on, you ain't get to watch them play them.
You know, so I don't tell you lie, bro. I never get to watch them. But I deal with them.
You hear?
Yeah.
Hello, yeah. Yo, I know shit that come around, dog.
No respect feeling like say no man and the roses them man. All who support me man, just big up on yourself. No.
Oh, yeah, clean, man.
But I mean, I tell you, I have to clean up the place. You know, you can't, the pan ends, bro, and no say how the place look away and no say how.
Bro, you know that. Them I sit and I talk about from when dog. Watch you know. Yo, you know, so friend follow me, I give you a one time, you know, that about keep your place clean and sitting there. But I don't really my intention, dog. I just not grow with certain things, dog. I'm not like certain style, but keep on saying nothing, dog. Watch you know. So watch you. Buy me the buy for 130,000, you know, dog. You know if you can sit up there, but yo, give me one gear, dog. You know, so kind of keep it, not even keep the pace, dog, but just.
Yo, thanks a lot, bro. No long more want to watch, bro.
Let's see, you ready?
I'm almost ready, bro.
And then you sit and me a talk about that.
Yo, me a come with father. Yo,
I that way, man, flick it down on it.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, a different brand, dog, from how you stuff. So, yeah, dog.
Thanks a lot, bro.
Yeah, bro, at least that, man.
Appreciation. Yo, you watch a bad dog.
That, man. That dog, but me I jump on the works too, so let's go and do it, you see me?
Yeah, bro.
Alright, my dog.
Most get a girl under this.
Y'all can go check on the road, if anything.
You have to teach me road code, you know, bro. Make me know how to go out on the road. I remember say, yo,
Bro, that's...
come from here, you know. I know me not see you take me out of here and carry me go somewhere.
Man, you must say, you're a bad boy, you know, man. No boy can't do nothing. Just walk your road one day, man. You have to find something, man. You see me?
Sorry.
So you said me charge, you know, up a lap today.
From both them and I see what going down. What you see? The little boy me I wonder what going to man. Now you know music I play like in and forward.
See, where I see, I'm going to check on the hour.
That me I pray. I see what going on.
Alright, yeah.
I'm gonna put them left out for you, so.
Hello. You know what I say? We are going to be nice to you, because even though we are bad man at town and we are done at town, I will try to be nice. At first, for once in my life. You know, I make you know, see yesterday, when I come over the yard, come and ask for David. Even though before we get there, me never know, say, yeah, my brother did that. Oh, yesterday I know when I come over yard, no? And they ask me, but even though I kind of this yesterday, I'm not going to say me this, I kind of this because you first this me.
But are you wrong to stop me?
I'm going to apologize. I am so sorry. Not tell me this, yeah. Yeah, my brother, woman.
Davy over there?
Davy. No, sir.
I do want money to collect from me.
Money?
Yeah.
Some money in your lease, baby. You can't collect money from them, the boy.
You just apologize to me and tell me say you know me and your brother woman and hear what you are saying.
Don't worry about that, man. Money at least, man. If I money you want, I'm not thinking over there right now. I say if I money you want right now, I got that. Come out here, it's sudden, man. Come on. for your bun up the nice clean skin. But anyways now, I'll give you money. I don't tell nobody say me give you no money. Cause I'm rich. I'm rich still, you know, I may for your par and everything, but you have to keep it as secret.
Oh, so much money that.
No worry head woman, I'm rich. $500,000 for months and 1.5 for me share. Just to make nobody know so me give you money. So I'm $2,000.
And nobody feel like say you can use the money and catch me.
No, I not use the money and catch them. I give you money because I feel away how me deal with it yesterday.
$2,000 can't make up for how you deal with me.
No worry yourself, mama. No worry about that. May have more money, you just have to check me, but don't make nobody know when you check me and don't make nobody know what I want. But anyways, no girl, where your name?
My name is Tiana.
So Tiana?
Yes.
No girl on the panel lane, because that me about fear look out
yeah,
right now.
Yeah, they run a one car and a room, so.
How far? Because remember me not to know about the place.
10 minutes prior, so.
Oh, so which direction? So or so?
Take 3 left, right, 3.
3 left, right, left, right, 3.
Then you find
3
them.
left, right, 3. You find them?
Yes.
Alright, up so then it.
Go up so, then you take 3 left, right, 3.
3 left, right, 3.
Yes.
Alright, so where I go?
May I go down there, so. Go check what I'm doing.
So, me
That
can
be
see you one next time.
You know, say I go look for you girl them.
No, me just a walk my foot. Me just a stretch my foot. But like come I buck up and you know, I could have can turn back with you.
No. No. Me forgot to pat the pan for you. I please me up.
So, me can come home for dinner.
Eh?
Me
Come
can,
home for dinner? No. Alright, go on. Later.
So, you go on. Me should have take back the money. So a girl tell me, say, be a girl over here, son. Nobody know over here. Watch me and I let me go. You just a steer for me, sir, road boy. Why pray? Where the pod? You know, no man a steer for me, and you know where me come from.
I know you come from, father.
Yo, I'll give me them a two, cause something funny, boy. Something funny.
Father, easy for look.
Where the steer from?
Easy, father, man. Easy, father, man.
Where you up to?
God, man.
Where you up to, boy? Where you up to?
No, up to nothing, father, man. No, up to
Eh?
nothing, man.
Don't steer from bad man and I see bad man. Hey,
Alright,
I'm gonna take them and lick in the head.
no, father, oh God, man. You cannot do me that, father, man. You can't do it to me, father, man.
Where are them people them bars early?
No, some people.
Boy, you look like a some thief, you know, man.
No, man. Thief guys can't look so.
What you mean? You know what, we church stick to make you look like a style like things doing when nothing I do, no. Boy, which one of that me come about? Yo, hold them up. Watch me and I get out of the book. So, not even see girl man, even go there man. I was sleep.
You know them not so at all.
Girl,
Yeah, I could never make sure that all that front that chair pop off my guinea. If I couldn't ask.
it hang off all on the roadside.
Oh,
You never
I know
never
mine.
mark funny.
What one?
I want to tell you. Yeah, but how me see that supermarket and me tell you say the name TV so familiar.
You ring a bell, remember?
Yes, so we have to do a check up on him. Me get to find out said TV a one low class, nasty, disgusting man. TB. She used to live with my friend them. And my friend tell me say him beat him with drugs. And dash him out. And first of all, I know how to think about it. TB a thief from town. TB can't go back to town, y'all.
Me ever get a bad feeling about that TV, man? So me no want the brother feel like say I told me I turn against him.
So wait there. What do you mean by the brother? I don't understand we are.
TB is my man, brother.
TB
Is my man, brother.
is your man, brother, is in your man.
I'm my man, brother.
Oh, so you have a thieving brother-in-law.
Right.
You're going to the thieving
Look at
family.
that girl.
And what? Tell him, man.
While you go up there, I may look at Davy. You man, I'll try. Him brother, I'll try look me. I mean, me say when me go for tell Dabby evening, Dabby say, nobody can turn my mind from a brother. So me just say, he asked me what me did. I said, me say nothing. Me just make different in I told. That's how you me at all. Me just love it.
Girl, you see all him? He go and learn at the longer run. And TB gonna mash him up. Girl, me here see a rob, TB rob. TB rob on Chinese school.
I got teeth for you, you know. And I tell me about him a bad man at all. And
TB is not bad, TB only act bad.
girl, tell me something now, because I don't know what to do. I went earlier today, I walk good on me board. Because I go look for Davy and him. Did them? I don't know how often in the yard, but anyways. TV see me and apologize to me and argue me $2,000 girl. But so me don't want the argument, me just take it.
See you really taking money from the boy?
Mama,
Thief
I'm
him
not
boy,
that.
that's it.
He had to ask me. If me know when hot girl there. Sometimes I take 3 left right turn. He big go here, that team at 3 left. See me have 3 left right turn. Me don't know what to do.
You see, you know, you are going to help TB put your man in a batty hole because you're going to take money from him.
He ain't done in a
He
body
go and ruin
already.
it to a relationship.
Mama, me and your friend, if you help me figure out something, because I don't like how I deal with man.
I can't figure out I know. Yes, never good idea.
Tell me.
You can't go meet TB. I make me and TB link up and me and TB start talk. I make him things that I want him when I don't want him. And beat him and teach him a lesson. But when I beat him, you record and use the blackmail when you feel your brother yard.
What I know? You see me, you're a good girl, you know? You have sense. That's why I love you. You have
But when
sense.
I do steals, when I make my friend from town come here, but my friend don't have time for TB. Yeah, that better if you see dirty ex. But she now go come here.
You can do it, Mama.
And today I gotta do it or tomorrow.
We can do it today. By the way, now too, car. He must reach over there by now. He mount a 3 left right there. Me tell him he must for food. So I'm tell him say yeah, I want a hot girl then.
Alright, so if I know you want to do it, we can go do it then.
So come then, no, Mama.
Oh God, man. For me, I want to come. Me, I'm thirsty. What? I said, I don't feel like man, you know.
Atiana. What one? Can I come in?
I mean, yeah, start.
Oh, you have to invite in. You still left me that.
Oh, yes, man. Come in.
Wait. Come in. So, Tibi, the finding girl that I tell you about?
You know, say this, me know.
Oh, me this, yeah.
You,
Me tell you take 3 left, right, you look like I take right, left turn.
I one man, me go around the bar, go sip and crutch thing.
Me say 3 left, right turn. Me
So,
follow.
3 left,
Listen.
right, 1 right turn. I think you can follow instruction
You
and
can't find
direction.
you. That's this a beautiful girl that me find around it to you.
Oh, you bring her for me.
Kayla, this is Tibi. Tibi, this is Kayla.
Hi, Kayla.
Hi,
Ah,
Tibi.
you bring her for?
You're blind?
I just said me have to rate it. Yo.
Yes, that's it.
I want to stick figure, don't worry. I'm still rich, you know.
Yes,
So,
Tibi
wait,
rich.
I left him a bill with her, look.
We go and get to know each other.
So, where are they?
Me go up on the ground.
Alright, go on, hurry.
Alright. Kayla, me there, say anything.
Yeah. So I'm going to be alright.
Me there, I know, Kayla, and I tell her, say, you have to rate that girl, you know, say, my brother, woman.
Yeah, I know
I
that.
have to rate her, you know. Because if I never fish sheep, me never smell and all long, Kayla. Boy, I'm glad me find that woman, because me walk the street yesterday all the time,
Yeah,
man.
I saw she that tell me say she know I'm a bad man because she knows say a bad man me like.
Oh, yeah,
I'm here see you come from town and then things that me like. Put my number in your phone.
Yo, mama, me not really do like immediate thing on the phone business, and more like if me can get a thing and you build back with me, the easy back.
You mean by that?
What I mean by that, me just give one little piece of money and you build with me, chill that CD. You know what I do? You know where I go, me know that. Because from she, bring her come give me, you know. You know, say, no, nothing I do, say, okay.
Oh, I Me have to go. I go tell her if you go on, if you go talk to her and tell her something, if you go talk to her.
Oh,
Yeah. Tina,
Wow, Mama.
Yan, I never forget that this, yo.
Wow.
Me say the boy writing.
Wow.
The boy just see me today and know me today. I want me catch his I beg me, boy will give me a little thing. And me I'm do it.
Mama, after me teacher, when them man are home, when you tell them someone, tell them, he said, go so. You like nothing from morning. So take the money and then when you say, you know,
What did that? What did that? That come back and
you
don't even like
second
him.
to last.
Look at him, Maga.
So in time.
Hello.
Wait, no, I don't say that walking, but sorry. Me had get something. If I find out so a small and girl them not like frozen man, so I have to spray and smell good car. Me had get something. Get to find out so beer it's there always enough. I have to chop up.
She not got it. Me talk to her, me just remember someone like going slip my mind. You know, for me upon my monthly.
So when that I would done?
The next 2 days from now. So you have to understand it. Are you?
Yeah man.
Alright, so we link you back here.
Yeah.
Later.
Thanks for the come. Yo.
Brother, how make you not flush the toilet, dog?
Oh man, those dog.
Charge you, what make you not flush the toilet,
Water
dog?
the gun, you know, father.
Man, what you mean water the gas? Man, you can't go full one bucket and throw it, dog.
But they always gonna come insult me, no bad man. You know
Brother, what kind of insult my you make me get up and say me I go brush my teeth, me go in there, want send bucks, me now nearly kill me, brother, you get dog. Brother, I know Garrison life, this another dog, brother, nigga, I don't know, no nasty man place, another dog.
Brother, you know, see me go left your place and go back up bad man.
Brother, left place, what man, me I tell you right, dog.
Bad man, me not like how you deal with me. You deal with me like a son look up it, me
My
brother.
you, I know deal with it like, alright. Let me tell the argument alone. Charge me, me nah say you, believe me, me nah say nothing for say you. But me have 2-5 in my room, and I can't find the dog.
So you want to say me?
Me ask you say if you see it.
Me?
Me ask you say if you see it. That alone me ask you.
Bro, me no know, me no see nothing bad man. Me no see nothing.
You no see-
Ask a brown girl where always a come here, brother.
Nah, me that time, me take your last one, dog. What dog? Brother, just keep the place good now, dog. That alone me and the brother and say me heart made in a dog. Man, you tell me see you really go mess up your bathroom, dog, and you couldn't flush it.
Brother, you know say come out and go left your place, bad man.
Yo, you make it on your yo.
This me no dog.
Brother, me I come go out, dog.
So I see I'm a girl.
Today.
But today, go over there and beat him up. Suppose me I go over there and go lick me and beat me up.
Me there have to back you.
I just remember you have to have your phone ready.
Me
Yeah.
from see video.
Yeah, me.
Welcome, babes.
Hello. How are your friend? How are your friend?
What my friend?
Yeah. Hello. Baby, me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do. Me don't know what to do.
Stand up and talk to me now.
Then my brother man, TB, hey,
When do you?
yo, me say, he boy nasty. Every day I cuss him about plates, I cuss him about cleaning room. Guess what I do this morning? He go in the bathroom. You use the bathroom, you know. I don't flush the bathroom. Tell me say, oh no water in the pipe. Look how much jump me have water door full of water. We boy just nasty. Me I tell him say I some Garrison lifestyle in the pan. Baby right now my cup full tea. Bring me no know what me I go do.
It's a run over?
Right now I have
Something nice I got happen. No say
I
no.
give me one to give up. And on top of that too, me not say I him because I don't know my brother has no teeth, but
And that me not like with you.
what?
You done everybody. You don't know if I'm me a thief, him a thief, she a thief. You don't know.
Who she or who she?
Mama, me
Yeah,
just have to say something.
My
Shut
Mr.
up,
Manson now.
You
My
don't know who is the thief. Me tell you say I can feel that you know.
no, but what you know? Me have to
You
use
not
it.
thief,
Me
you
did have
nothing good friend.
no man. Me know. Me
You
feel say
see
me
him
have one
grab
two.
you right way.
Me did have 125. Me don't know if I misplace or I spend
Did you see in the house when I have it?
Yeah. I'm alone there, yard. And me
Did you see where you put it?
I put it down in my room. Me
So
can't.
him not going there, what take who else have access to your room?
Nobody else. Me never see him going there, so me can't see him. But baby, me don't know. God know. I feel like give up. Cause
Whatever you there,
Numbers.
me never sign up for them sitting here right now. My heart a hurt.
Me
my
never
head a
sign up
hurt.
for all of this year. Must say me have my
me know
personal
where you
life
want
to
to sign
deal
up
with.
for.
So my life I got to deal with that business there and now.
Alright. Baby.
Baby, me go up on the road, go deal with me. So me soon come here.
Alright. Me I go hold on meds or something.
Alright.
Me don't know.
Can go and sleep if you want.
Are you man that?
I first I know
Look how big and thick and he can't lick down mother cranny body to be.
Tell us if you hear that girl. Idiot.
And you're the biggest idiot, you're there with that idiot. You're the biggest puppet show. Come on.
One man, sure.
Timmy! Akela! Make sure that the phone ready, you know.
Wow, those stars.
Bob, alright.
You must alright. You come back, you think you don't general me out and peel me out. huh?
Soon come, girl.
Alright, girl.
Soon come. Don't move it up.
No.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah, man. Long time.
So, babe, is even before we start everything,
Yeah.
I want to ask you something. I ask you one little question. Look over here, man. Look over here. So, over here for me, there. You this here if you look pan.
What you mean, man?
Me I hear in the street say, you're no bad man.
Baby, where you hear that from? I lie them a tell. Me a bad man anywhere me go, anywhere me there. Me a done a town, you know.
Me hear from good source. Talk you through. Me hear from good source say, you're no bad
I
man.
know say I true you. No tell you true. You know say me a bad man for real. Me just told me talk and move. People afraid of me. And true, me no born and grow west town me come from. So everybody go afraid of me and think say me bad. But even if me see one rich right now, I have fast like anything. I run.
So, me ask one question. So, what really happened to the front home?
No, sir, I'm a girl put me out though.
Mm-hmm.
Someone
Oh,
put me out.
God, man. Oh, God. So, you're no bad man, none tall.
No,
And your woman dash out you.
yeah.
Oh, God, me feel sorry for you. Oh, God.
But baby,
Hmm?
I call me tell you the truth. You don't think say a full time now for give me car. I rate time me tell you, you know.
Oh, my. Of course, baby. We're going to get the picture. Don't worry. We're going to do it special. Very special. We're going to do. You're going to do unique.
So me know say you love me, you know. I'm like special things, you know.
Yes. One pair that eye.
Tell me I.
Yes.
Oh,
One tight.
special.
Yes, turn on.
Yeah. This most special for you.
Very
know, yeah.
special, baby.
First me I get them a treatment, you know.
I do.
First me I get them a treatment, baby.
First you ever come,
Yeah, baby.
and nigga will come get them a treatment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Love that treatment.
You love that?
Just take your time, baby.
Eh? Boy, you come and nigga go like you're a bad man. You think you're a bad man, boy? You think my friend is down the boy? You think
Right.
Beat him! Get up, boy. Get up, what
I
I
did
did.
give me my money. Beat him.
Where did you get my money from?
In 2-5, where there?
So, what me can
In 2-5 league.
You
No.
think me did want you?
2-5 league more.
Me didn't want you?
Oh, so this is a prank.
I said,
Yes, I set up.
You know, see camera, big up prank. Give him 2-5 league.
Hey, lock off that.
Next time I talk to my friend, you what? You can't talk to my friend from a bust up your face. You think you're no bad man, boy?
No bad
Come on,
man.
you come like you're a
I
bad
am
man.
not
And we
a
run
bad man.
this.
Say it.
Look in that camera and say that.
I am not a bad
I
man.
am not a bad man.
And
Right.
the girl throw me out.
And the girl throw me out.
I'm a fool.
I mean, a fool.
You fuck up your things and I come out of the girl.
Oh, tell me man.
Where things them there?
Let me tap it video. Wait.
See them there.
Take them up!
You see the video now when I come home, I
Me
expose
no-
it
me no
on
have
every
nowhere to go.
website.
Me no busy more than fuck up your things and I
You
come
were
out.
big enough.
Girl, let me handle this now. You got this there.
I
Alright,
got this. Yes, mama.
When I'm funny, I got my yard.
Hurry up, too. Hurry up. Mama, are you here, go?
You there?
Send the video to me to
Yeah.
this thing. Send it to the walk up. Walk up. Come on! Right. Sure.
How you go back, dog?
Yo, bad man, me I tell us, bro, right now, me get a call, say the police them find out when you locate bad man, you have to lift clutch now.
No, dog, but me at the house, you can't turn, you can't turn, dog.
Bad man, me have to change the location.
So which way you go?
Bro, right now, I don't even know, but right now, me have to move fast, dog. Where you say, you bring me somewhere else or what? Or, bro, you come at me, just go on up, bro, anything or anything right now.
Yo, so you come and reach up.
Yeah, bro, me get up, bro, cause,
Alright.
yo, just keep in contact with me, bro, and make sure I'm safe, dog.
Alright, dog.
Yeah, bro.
But yeah,
Wow.
me just some brother a while ago and you want to tell me the police find out say I just send elephant you have to run around.
Yeah.
Oh God, man, I'm a little brother and I'm sorry for him.
That's how I feel. Oh, me know that brother, but I feel that thing, but cheer up, everything work out for the best.
You feel so?
Yeah, everything work out for the best.
But
And you know, I deal with the place good too. If you see how me deal within a room.
boy, no. I know still, but maybe everything off your best.
Everything is for the best. So yeah, but now.
Be there sitting there, my man can live to come on.
Yeah, man.
And like how I'm gone and I have space where we can move in back.
Yeah, me already moving.
Alright, perfect.
Alright, me. Me don't just sweep up as still.
So you really buy one special for yourself, dog. I know somebody up on the ends faster than ever before.
Brother, say for first. We expect. Me get that special, you know, bro.
I lie you tell. Nobody in the world not give nothing for free. What kind of get if you
I'm a real dog, me down the road and buy me a special, you know, long me there sip it.
Warm for true, man.
Yeah, dog.
You couldn't tell me you couldn't tell me I told somebody, dog. I get 2 cup.
You know, say me never did. Later me did get 2 cup, but me couldn't tell him because me never did don't have pressure him because dog kinda look fresh, you know.
Him first and you first.
Yeah, bro, that's why me ask you a special. Leave a craving here, me no get.
I get him bun off because you think by your mouth, you know.
Yo, yeah, man, it.
Brother, I crave you think by your mouth.
Yo, man, extra your mom. Oh, yeah, extra so.
And dog, you walk us out.
Pull me over when you pass. Don't make it easy.
Alright, ready with that.
1 pound rice. Half pound of flour. 2 pound of chicken. Boy! Come over here, son, man. Come over here, son. Which 1 pound of rice and
I shot me out there.
which 2 pound of flour? My business if I shop you on. Sit down, son, man. Chat to him, boss.
Yo, what's your name?
Martin.
You come from the area.
No, don't know.
You have no family in that area. You know no bad people from boy. Alright, here we go on. Me and my dog there first, you know. And I see area. Me hear you sing one song about 1 pound of rice, 2 pound of liquor, or whatever you say, and I never listen. Come go there rum, but I never hear what you say good. But me and my say still, you can't do nothing for kill them. Because they are first, you know.
They are plastic.
Let me hear there first and you go shop and skip and sing song.
No,
Don't happy me sing, you know.
I want to go for a business. I'm going to buy one piece of chicken and rice. Nice. So you just say you're fresh. Eh? So you're trim bossy. You just say you're fresh. It's a lie. It's a lie.
Yo, here we go on. You see you, Mr. Bob, or whatever you want to name yourself. We run off this lane, mostly me. This is
Yeah, but which one you know?
boy, I idiot. You know what I say? You see, every time I pass us, I 5 bills I fear. 5 bills to pass, I told her. So when I go shopping at home, I don't know if you want trust. I go trust sitting for me and my dog too. So, well, I don't know where I would know, but this is a little piece of cash. You feel sharp. Next time I pass back, you owe me $100. Different from the 5 feet to that pass. You hear me I say?
Yo, come here, so come turn up, man. Where they go? Talk to you, bossy.
Yeah, you hear me I say, father?
On the here.
5 bills every time you pass, right? I say.
Anytime I pass.
And this is our only area. So what? Not even when you pass or something. When you see we a 5 bills apart.
Anywhere you see it. Anywhere. Hospital, station, anywhere. Alright, man.
From where you know.
Alright.
I really look for 4 bills to go and put you on.
Mm.
What kind of man this is that? I don't know if you can shop with 4 bills. Not tell lies and fast.
Lie.
You this.
I can't buy that trust fund shop again. Man, I take on money star. But how many time come here yourself? I'll go back up here, man. All the ups are God.
Yo, so here I go on dog. You know what I live up from this energy. My energy not get right after that. I go and check for my moms.
So anything, bro, we just lift up and can't come back.
Tomorrow I said procedure and that, cause yeah, right now we need to take up the taxi and thing hard. But here I go on, right so. I feel like that about there one piece of money, you know. I feel like you want to take around the other road. Doesn't mean?
So I'm going to lay away to
the other road.
Alright.
I'm a dog. So yo, may I will link up, watch out.
Alright, bro.
One night time.
Uncle. Oi. I don't play money last.
What played this?
No, me I go down road and I take up my phone so like it drop out.
You played next you.
No, I'm serious.
Every time you see never shop money last.
No, uncle, no.
Why if your money can last? Why am my money last? Eh?
Cause I feel money always in my pocket.
So last. So take it and feed that. Eh?
No, sir.
I get money to go and shop to buy it to look about. And you go and tell me sister not left here, you know. Cause it's a disgrace. Not left here.
Well, uncle,
You
but
salt.
anybody can last money, you know.
Who?
Anybody can last
In a
money.
time like this year, me I go last money. In a time like this year, me I go last money. Eh? And you gonna know they gonna last money. Remember, you know, eat for 2 days straight.
What do you mean?
You see money where you last?
But I want something there I go buy a shop.
It don't matter. I could have even half. You not eat for 2 days. Your punishment, if you not punish you for now, you're not gonna change. Not tell her that. But tired of you lose money every minute and you still a eat. Cause you look into it and say, boy, sure. If me last uncle money, me still a go eat. But now, me serious, me put up my foot you know. Say, see, if you're thinking of eating tonight, no bother.
So me feel I'm gonna dead from here.
Mix sugar and water. Me too damn bright. You try mix sugar and water. Where you go? Where you go?
I say no.
You try go back on the road and see if you find the money. Go on,
You
go.
can't find the money in the same place when me go and come back. You
Okay.
can't find the money.
Maybe you come back here and my money now do there. I will see.
Now go I make one. Cook some mackerel.
Hello? Yeah. Alright.
Me there. You know the money?
I said I go up on the road today, but the road not too active.
See, I make the money at all.
Not really, I'm not too bad, good, but I go back on the road so now even. I just show you something and go and take a cool off.
Oh, I want to try to make him talk, you know. They plate them in the kitchen. You know, see them?
Yeah, I did see them, but I must have go before you know, so I see I could have wake up a day or this and
No! No! You could never take that in your head.
What?
You don't say you first should plate them.
What?
How come you don't should plate them?
Come, go up on the road, go hunt bird.
But the bird there where you hunt?
I'm not done hunting. What? So you couldn't wash up here?
No!
Like I'm not nothing, you couldn't wash up here?
No, me I wash up no plate and you first should plate them.
But I make cook.
So, what I say, you cook, you wash them, when me dirty them up, you dirty them up.
Yeah.
Come on, it does a big fit now,
Sorry.
See, besides, I realize something. Sometimes I wonder why me there with you, you know. Sometimes I wonder why me there. Don't remember why me there with you. You claim to say you're a bad man.
Bro, me a bad boy out the road. What you going like?
You have a right to you're out the road, you're a bad boy, you're a little boy, and this is a house here.
Bro, me a bad man on the road. And talk about you going like you know that too.
I so you can sing that for me?
No.
Ah, come in, there's a box here behind this.
No.
How you do?
Easy man.
Get up. The plate there, me I talk to you about the plate. Me tell her from Wednesday the door want to all because it make one squeak sound.
No man, just
You don't know if there's something in the yard.
I'm not making money here, just cool man. Just cool
You talk about make money. Me not talk about make money, me talk about the plate and the door what me tell you about.
But me I run extortion, just have to cool and making money first.
Alright.
And boss me have to buy up something, see thugs them too, you know, he clip them on the so them boss you know come cheap, you know.
How you gonna use clip though?
Boss me a bad boy at the road and I will leave a boy want my pints too, you know, not two, you're tracing me there with you and normal with you. You have to remember this.
Only if they know. Only if they know.
No, what?
Say you're not bad.
Who not bad?
You.
Well, I'm me running this a whole alley and you know how me get my street credit. You know how much things me have to do to get my street credit.
You have a right. You only bad a road. But you don't bad a yard.
But anywhere me go, you know that too. You know something about anywhere me go.
Hey, the boy. No, sir. I wish I find something to beat your ass, you know. Can't find it. How you do?
No, not the school now.
You make you out of this?
No, the school now.
How you do?
No, me I tell you I'm bossy a bad man.
How you do?
The school now.
How you do?
The school now.
Eh?
The school now.
Go sit down there, sir. Go sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir. Sit down there, sir. No move. Me can't find my machine yet. How am I machine there?
The school now, man. The school now.
Let that for me.
No, sorry, no.
Let
wash up plate.
What's on the plate there? Me Jesus said welcome to me was come argue with me. Yes, sir. You need my machine.
I'm doing say man, I'm willing to take up the money. The good thing I want to 1.5 grand and go and only save up. Hello, babes. Yeah. Remember the money that when I say me there, when I give you? Yeah, me a pass and I just give it here. Yeah man, I don't feel sad me a come now. Alright.
Got away for so long, man. Oh. Oh, they make you look so. Not a thing.
What?
Yes, we go. What do you make you look so? What's stressing?
I don't know what I said. Boy them on the road. I don't know if boy them are up on the road.
Maybe not.
Brown youth and the black youth.
Well, that kind of place in a while.
Yeah man. Every minute I pass, I tell me say, every time I pass, I have to give 500. So if I pass 10 times per day, I have to give them 500.
Pete and 10.
Yeah, me I walk and I go shop with my uncle and them and take my money and go back and tell him I say, I think anything. Alas.
What I do to your money? They take you away?
Yeah.
Oh, my clitoris. Which is that? Me never feel say you're not big enough, you're not man, you don't fit turn up like man and you don't fit make them take your money.
Bigger man them they say a 2 man, you know. When me I go fight a 2 man.
You know how to fight up, me teach you how to fight up, you use your knee and flick them in a damn private part. No, you can't do it to a self-defense. Boy, you make boy, you're man if you turn up like a man, tap like a boy. You're a man, turn up like man. Besides, what's something? I don't tell me to tell you.
The good thing me they save up that thing. Money there.
Okay. And you have some money there.
Yeah, talk.
And you talk about my money last. Tell you secretly I have my money for you. Come and give them dirty foot, girl.
Oh, we are called dirty foot girl, sir.
No, uncle, I said not that. That's something happened, but me feel to tell you.
He just come and say then take your money done this.
Hello. Nobody plan them thing there with him, you know.
Me not plan
No
nothing.
plan
Me I
nothing.
tell you what him say, me not plan
That's
nothing.
all when my money go fix up yourself, eh?
Look
You
here,
put it
as
here,
much
I
I know you never money do this, sir. Me very much have me own.
All of the money they were missing. Actually, yes, spending fun. I fix her up. I fix her up. Eh?
I want to make you.
Remember teach you something. No matter how a woman look, you could have spent the whole world. You can't change him how you want her. You're gonna lose her. We teach you something in life. No matter how a woman look and you spend big amount of money to fix her up, you're gonna lose her. You hear?
Wait, there's
Woman-
a big amount of money I fix up your money, woman one can live. I don't know.
Woman, when you fix them up, you know, and they look hot, then done with you, you know. You're paparazing and look good, you know, why you again, you know, in a feeling class, yeah? You're trying to take up some woman out of the ghetto, and you put them up on the high rising, and they meet high rising people, you're both cook. You're lucky enough to ask somebody to stay around you, but guess what? Burn up, murder you same time. And so she get up and go, say she got work, in Ghana, the rich man yard and lay down.
Where you get that from?
And when you come in most of the night, them can't lay down with you. That is the reason why he can't lay down with you, because he already lay down with the rich man. So you see, time you there, and high go with something like a demia, you're going to look walk.
You think you be tapping now?
This is my sweetheart. And she
Right,
nah
I'm
do
gonna
that to
switch.
me.
Me there with him when he did it,
Me
but the
nah
funny,
switch.
yes, in the funny.
You're sweet too?
We locked
In the
together.
funny
You're
right
sweet
now,
too?
we're locked in.
Sweetheart.
You know what is a sweetheart?
Only one.
Explain yourself why you take her as a sweetheart.
Because she's nice.
Because she's nice. You could have taken up the ugly set of woman and can be a sweetheart. No because the looks catch your son. You see what I tell you something, we teach you something. You see, if you make looks like them and tell us you're a sweetheart and you're sour heart them.
Good for you too. So
You-
I like your arm then, you're bright, but so hard.
Talk to this, you know.
Uncle,
Talk
you
to
can't-
that,
you
you know.
can't talk
Talk to this and tell her all
Talk
the
to that, you
time.
know. Tell him how me turning up and me mad to you know, and me head shit to you
No
know.
piano man, no piano man.
He thinks yeah, him one can body
Piano
dance.
man.
Kiss my teeth.
No piano man.
And
no
just see
piano
what
man.
them look like, you know, you eat
Here, go use your growth and grow your head from.
where sweet in them there when we carry them from far over
Uncle,
there.
yeah.
What their name? What their name?
So yes.
No, so patch.
Sour patch in them duns.
The
So
thing that way you bite them up and then crumble in your mouth.
You pop something man.
Yeah, we remember then they have some little that so little sweet.
Yeah,
So pan the chingum. I eat this.
No,
The
no,
funny.
no,
Don't
no.
worry about that. Isn't that?
Yeah, me not worry
Oi.
about her. Me not
Talk
worry
your
about
backside,
her.
you know.
But me I talk.
No, you
Ja-
can't go. You
Well
can't go.
done.
If I say me always not to see you.
Go on down. And make sure me come down with my money today. And you,
Look here, sir. Delete yourself
you
from in
miss
front of me. You know.
lollipop.
Look here. Delete your face from in front of me, you know. Delete your face. Cause me, wait. Now I want money. I never come. I never offer me money. I don't beg him nothing.
Okay, virus. So me delete myself.
You damn right. Nothing wrong. Big up.
Hey!
Listen, baby. What's me have something to tell you?
What?
Me like when you get up this morning and wash up the plate and make breakfast and massage my body. Me like set to pick it up and do a morning time.
No school man, you know everything about man.
Yeah, you must always do them things there.
Baby, you have to remember some a bad boy and I things for my one time. You should see him as a mess up. Can I get up on a cuss and he said because it's like you test my badness and I really up my things. So that's why some of my time I was at work for my one time.
You need to talk to you. Me say today I give me tough chat. You tell me you're a bad man. And a little bit thing.
School.
And that we are talk
Bro,
about.
just school man, just school man.
Me say what that we are talk about.
School man. I tell you say I know my prayer man. Plate then wash up and everything good still. So that at least.
So that me follow you, me murder every day, you know.
But I would that.
Alright, pick up
So
there.
you see how they are with our vibes and you come with food and stress.
You come foolishness. Me I come go is with you with something.
Alright.
I'll come back.
Alright.
Don't move, the phone come back.
Alright.
Uncle, really, you have to give me none. You make sandwich and really not give me none. You see? Money where last yesterday? A punishment that.
You know, because I'm not left on an egg and 2 slices.
Left with them! Boy! Me did tell you I never have last money. Eh? Eh? Me did tell you?
No, but I never my intention to last money.
I'm going to warn you. Again, every time you warn about the same thing over and over. You beat yesterday night, man, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why the backside you beat last night? Me hear the shower turn on.
So daddy, me not have it. You hear me not call daddy. Uncle, me not have to beat again.
Look at me. When me play one time and keep on the cold, we wait till the next day. So it's like I'm having this now, we can go beard and put on a different clothes.
So what you trying to say? You can't beat again. You can't beat 2 times a day.
No!
If me brush my teeth, you have problem. If me lay down too late, you have problem.
Because when you brush your teeth, you turn on the pipe and make the pipe and run. I don't see sense.
You have to wash out my face, wash out my mouth, everything.
How we have watched so long?
Yes, so if you wash, I must wash out my mouth and something.
Why? I don't know. You come like a disaster in my yard. So you come and be stressed out.
Anyway, don't come, I go up on the road. They get money now.
Hell to the no. No.
What do you mean?
You see money we take in the girl yesterday, coming up blind. Go back to her and call it different her.
That you chat about now, uncle. That different, you give me a money figure I shop, but I beg you money for mine. Say that I pay your money and not my money.
Oh, so you say the last thing?
Eh?
How you say the last thing?
No, I lost money me a chat boy.
Oh,
Just give me
Anyway.
come on, man. Bombard, uncle.
Hmm?
And they say every time you have to pay money, you take money from where you so. You take money from out of here so. You take money.
so what you have to do me for? And this leg, when you buy one Pepsi all the time.
So uncle, you can't put one 2 bills for the can have to pass one toll, you know.
Huh?
Have to pass one toll along your
To
road.
all way?
Down your road.
Come here, idiot. You see two of them on the grill?
Yeah.
Boy! Make it look at you. Right. Yo, bad man, you know, sound like I don't saw that cassette, bro.
I mean, I'm sorry to say.
Bro, you don't see around where you said this something bad, man.
You tell me, say, I'm not sorry to say. Me have 10 years experience. You just start today you start and you tell me, say, I'm not sorry to say.
Bad man, I don't saw that cassette, brother. I don't tell you.
Alright, you said to say it.
Bad man, it's something for set, so bad man. So if it's set. So you must set. You set the other way. Or if you set
Give me
the so you
setting.
call me for work and you don't even know what you do.
Give me sit, man. Now you contact me, say you want to work.
What kind of style are they pan, brother?
What you know about carpenter work?
So how you tell me say you can't eat and the set the latch
Ah,
right way?
you... No. Hold this up.
Yo, you come like a joke thing, you take people them up for you.
You tell me, say, I'm not sorry to say. And today you start up.
Brother, right now you are reason too much, you know, bad man. You are reason too much. Just now we done your work and try and get the money.
And that's all I care about. I don't care about the people anymore.
So right now, I left me all the fire say, no, I'm call for you, boy. Right now, I left fire so bad, man. You reason too much too. Yo, Davy.
Where are the head?
Yo, where there, bro?
Dog, I must not jump out yet. What go on?
Yo, a full time now for you go up on the ground, bro. You know, see our time now.
Alright, ring me a hotspot. Remember, so we have to take you at a location to the dog.
Alright, bro. Me a forward.
Alright.
Yo, you're an idiot, you know, bad man.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
Do it,
you're an idiot.
Yo,
brother.
lift up now, man.
Yo, how we are tell you to lift up?
Lift up now,
You're a
man.
fool, brother. You don't know what you do, brother.
You know what that's so? I'm here, yeah, talk on the phone. Who you talk to?
I'm a friend me I chat to, man. I'm a partner boy, I'm a Tibi.
Oh!
And I go, man, he must say, you want me ready to link up and all. I must say, man, like, how long I would have up on the road there.
Yeah, that's true. In little bit lazy, not doing anything.
Well, you know, you just make it up and wash place and do a bag of things there.
Then you're little after that, I don't know. But anyways, go on the road and get the bread.
That's why I pray for you, dear man.
Yeah. Alright. And please, Don't come back without it. Don't do like yesterday. You hear? Alright.
You can't do something to her, you know. Can't do something to her.
Sometimes I feel like you talk too much. You see this, you use it too much. Too much. You use it. Go on, fat boy.
You only lucky see you're pretty that I don't think me.
Go on. You're fat like.
Chat too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you deal with? Yeah, no bad, bro. I'm sorry, bro. I'll send you today.
I mean, you see me the pan it from early.
That me I see dog, you know make no food it.
No dog.
I know you ain't not going nothing dog.
I know, me not see nobody.
I know me I see so that everybody go use style and walk around. I feel like I'm using crayfish brain.
Yeah.
Yo, when me left you saw yesterday, you know you see pass, man.
No, bro. We both in habit, yo. Me believe say no pass to you.
Yo, nobody run. Nobody run. Forward.
Come on, man.
Forward, man. Nobody run.
You think whenever they are going to see you?
He like just like, eh? He like, we ain't know this road that's up.
Man, them my free man. Right? No, we don't
You go ahead, empty your pocket. Eh?
No, man.
Oh, you laugh up with me like when you're friend. Where your money?
No.
You feel like when you're friend, you come and yell, man dog. Where money there, dog? Where money?
No.
Yo. Why you finna no money, dog? Yo, come in, man.
Yo, boss, me see money. Man, hide the money. See money, boss. Yo, take the money.
Yo, me not going to man who yes or no, dog. Where is that?
That alone, me.
Brother, me tell us you have 5 bills to pass, a black dog on your
But I
back.
want different black this time.
That means you have more. If you walk around, that means you have different tool. That means you have 8 bills or something like that.
No, some.
Yo, where's some money?
No money.
Charge, where's some money that have?
Bro. Take with you that.
Where's some money that have?
Take with you that.
No money, I would like that.
Tell her.
Yes.
Father, me not like violence, none of that. You see, because my woman depends for me to get your money from you. I give you a chance again. I give you a chance. So next time I pass now, I 2 grand more.
Yeah, man. Remember that.
I don't want an excuse, nicer.
Yeah, remember that. Remember.
Yeah, yo, don't you want this? No, yeah, brother. Me and a friend down. Nobody with the healing.
So, man. So, yo, bossy. So, like, how I see money. How you give me $100 and you take 2 bills?
Boy, you know, see a smart for true, dog.
Remember, I see money, you know, brother.
Right, boy.
Remember this.
Oh, you see it. That means your eye then full already. Alright, come in and see it, you know. I need to see it for true, man.
Me forgot for you when I see it. So, my eye full.
Yeah, my bro. That's why I'm rate you, because you know what going on.
So, don't see himself go, bro. Once my eye full, fear your eye full too, you know,
Let
man.
me show you, man. Because I'm pocket weak, but
Yeah,
different
man.
stills. I feel like we need to start with some different badness, dog. Because right now, this brother, can't give no man cheap bills, dog. You see me? If my man go to sell, because anytime I go yard, if he ever help me pay more, I box him down flat in a dog. And I know time. But the cheap bills thing a little bit, dog.
Yeah, brother. Remember, say my eye done full already, you know, bro. So,
You're a survivor, not sure.
yeah, man.
Let me show you, man. But yo, me have to do something, dog. Me not feel like yes, I hot spot, dog. Me a circle back. You're there, not sure.
Yeah, man.
My dog.
Yo, this man, brother. So how this man take him money and gone and talk about my iPhone? My pocket not full. So. Yo, come on, man. Where you know where you come from?
Yeah, don't come from.
You know where the pass? And the response to yes, sir. All tax and everything have to pay, yes.
Tax off your piece.
What you mean? How much money have for you now?
1,000, man.
Come closer, man. You move so like you want right now. 1,000 alone you have. Say that nothing more for you. Let me see it also. Put it back, I'm not ready for.
Me ain't ready.
Let me tell you what I'm ready for. Yo. Make sure say yo. So when you give me that 1,000, I'm gonna take that 1,000 off right. Make sure you have pass back. Anyway, mark my face. Anyway you see me. Any money we have find, so just give me it. So take out the back and give me now. him.
No, say I lost over at this house too. I did my mother, cause mother sick, that I used to buy to the game.
Good God.
Basically, she say desperate to one extremists can get still.
See, you know, run dead man.
She told me, say, you need it, I said,
So, I'm sure you will take nothing from you, no, brother.
but I just use that, buy something, brother. Get something cook that.
Open your mouth, you know. So, what do your mother?
No, say she sick, bro.
Yo. Bro, what about this?
No, brother. Eat my money, brother. Use that, buy something, brother. I look like you're all hungry, dog. Use that, buy something.
What respect, you know?
Good, brother.
Right there. So, you know, so still rob that little youth, the youth. Cause, you know, rob little pick me, you know. But let me make me a give back still. So, I feel like, who you, brother?
Yo, I'm gone.
You ready, bro?
I did a reason that's how, sir.
I know someone look up squad while ago, bro. So I look youth a pass, bro. I'm call him over. Cause I remember a few regular thing that time.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So I'm going, you not take a piece of food off him.
Yo, I take nothing from him bad, man. So,
Brother, you have to get soft, dog. Man, wait, there's some hungry, dog. But say badness now to pay like one time, you know, dog. I remember say, me not to get no work for fling down no bowl like one time, neither, you know, dog. You should have, right now, you should have there. But take up everything we have.
yo,
I laugh with look up boy, dog.
yo, sometime, brother, God would see me sometime with a certain thing.
Brother, God done a sin we already, dog. Look on the life how we live. Look on your chain. You think you live now normal life. God done a sin we already, dog. The most we can do right now is survive.
Yo, true, you know, bro. God done a sin already.
Brother, not sorry for nobody, dog. Sorry for yourself. You think we're sorry for nobody in this earth?
You say true that though, bro.
Brother, tough up your heart, dog. Cheetos, yo. You see how Cheetos when I get to that, me also give you 150 out of I'm rate dog, and I made up on the ends already.
So you know, give me, come in a minute from morning, bro.
Me I show you, dog, and now I'm a procedure still. Deep on it.
No. Why you feel so upset?
You know, so for a while ago, I forward and same nigga them.
Again?
Yeah, man. They have one look up. After I get my money from uncle and say, man.
Why you chat about, nigga? Yo.
You don't know who
Look here. No, me I say where you chat about. Look here. Me and I go work out in the field. I go continue make them boy take away your money and I do your so. You're soft, you think soft, you water down.
So what you want me to do? The man them, a big man them, you know, and a two of them.
Look here, no matter how big man be, every certain have weakness. Look up on the big wrestler. I wrestler that day, man, one lick him get in a weak part and he drop down, he losing championship. Everybody have weakness, find out in weakness. All him in big they know, so if you lick him in good, they can run fast like you. You think about that?
No, never that thing.
In next maga, you know, so I'm going to do that too. In next maga one, if you clap him now, you don't feel like he can broke. Or he broke some part of him.
But actually, what of them? You want
You look on number, look on David and Goliath. Look on David did look on Tintin and Goliath are giant. David nearly came down. Alright, so you can do it too. Besides which you them ever do you so bad.
boy named Davy, I think he named.
Davy?
Yeah, and the brown one named Tibi.
One black one?
Yeah, one black thick youth. And one manga nigga.
Oh. Well, in a one way, they kind of bad for you, know. Come to think about it now that you're calling him and you know who. You say what you have to do? You have to try catch him when he leaves, expect him. Like when he soon go in bed and now say, yeah, me I go in bed, nobody now go do me nothing. And then time they have to go up there and you have to just lick him down. Where you live? Oh, you live up at, you know, Navlet up there, so?
Yeah.
On the hilltop? Yeah. Yes, when I reached the house there, one of the beside of it, a big green and orange. I don't know if they paint it or change the color, but yeah, the house.
You know, say that me feel true. Go.
Yes. You have to go up there. Show them say thing now, soft and lily. Yeah. Beat up your back. Yeah. Knock up your chest. Body it up. Yeah.
Oh boy.
Where are the youth, baby?
There.
Oh, you do it, I do.
Me say I want to do again.
Me, but you don't know what you do.
Me come off get some fresh breeze. Me say no by the window and no put in my house. Uh-huh. So how was work?
Boy. Baby, things not really pretty today still. Tell them the truth. Come here,
You say make a million, so much money you make.
Come here, man. Come here, reason, so. Come here, now.
They will come in with you.
Come here, man. Come here, reason.
Cause I wouldn't want to shame you. I don't know why you're pulling me like that.
Okay, yeah, make a. It's cool, man. Hello.
I want to show you something.
Call go and I guess room. I'm not really let myself start.
Go on, I'll something to show me.
Oh, so you're saying there? Alright, when I want to see me, you know, some week out of do something to come on. See if I know what that's doing.
Who funny place? Is there nothing wrong with it?
No, not really.
What do you mean, not really? You know, she say, he place want to clean up. Look on the bed like you want to put up.
But remember, some never there, actually. Remember, some never there, 2 nights there now.
Anyway, don't worry yourself. Someone talk to you about that. Go over. You know what make me happy?
What?
The money. The money we make today. Where you have to stand for take out the money?
Baby, I know myself to tell her the truth.
Holy.
A $300 Jamaican I make today.
What?
A $300 Jamaican I make today, and I have some boy there on the road. And because of me and him making me have to give him
How
150.
can I life you really, Ali?
I have to give him 150 out of it, and then the 150 when I give him when I walk come back, I just take and buy one juice and 150 like I told you to say juice. So
You really and truly I have no money. You come out with 350
I'm not coming with no money.
150 you come out with?
I'm not coming with him, I spend in a shop. What that me say?
Yeah.
I want you.
Yeah, fool. You know what I'm saying?
Girl, you're going to kill most of me. A bad man, how you move so? You know that?
I don't really like me.
You don't know that?
I can't really like the boy. Take off.
Stop now.
150.
What are you doing this? What are you doing this about this? I don't understand.
Stop now. Come here. Yo. Stop now. Yo, man, tell you. Yo, stop now.
Girl, they meet them in the house and I mean you come and come try to talk for yourself. Your man beside there, it's today. Bright and early, me I jump out. Dan, this a video, and I say, oh, if you stop me. I got the bright and early, see me can collect some funds and I work me and going up. Me not see how if you stop me. You believe me now?
Yo, not your boy that. You're blind. What am I doing with fast? You see that more while going, man. You carry money come early.
Look, so.
I send you, Bob.
Oh, go on, man, them.
How are you doing that spot?
That's all that small like you have something very nice, man. You don't want to talk today is a nice day, though.
It's a nice day.
It's a nice day, for Christmas for always.
I want to see pocket.
Listen to me. See, after today, you have to start paying me.
Boy, you know sense.
What you know,
Boy, you know sense. You know sense,
man,
you
boss.
boss. You know sense.
Come over here something. You know, I'm showing bank account. I'm sending one piece of things. Come over here something.
Yo, me a foul. Alright, boss.
Video that. Nice, though.
How will you find the video there?
Nobody worry about when me find the video there.
Easy.
Nobody worry about that.
Bossy, everything good. Oh yeah, everything good, bossy.
Alright. Don't worry about that. just know say as of from today, when you see me, you just run the funds.
Take time, dog.
Take time to wait.
Oh, you find the video.
No worry about that.
No, me I get looking at the video.
Okay, no, me I get lick and you come out as a come tax man every day.
Sure, everything good, my general. My general,
No,
everything good.
control of my dog, you know. Control the dog, you know. Yeah, me I say to
Easy,
you,
man.
yeah, me I say to you, know. As of from today, when you see me, now me have to say, hey, make money reach me. Come here, go walk in the community and show everybody if you have it there.
No, man, I want to see you, man. My general. Me general.
Oh, give me prop. Ah,
I can't run the place now.
no sharpness. Boss, yeah, where are you?
No, man, I see you drop on me and pick up. I see you drop me, dog.
Oh.
Yeah.
So here one now. Give me 5 years.
I see stuff and I'm happy.
You want me to show you?
Yeah.
Give me 5 years. Me take it.
250 alone, yeah.
Me take it, cause anything we have last time I take it. So here what? Nice doing business with you, you see me? When you see me again, same procedure, same spot every time. Yeah, I not want to see you back here, you see me? If you're not done with the dog, you move up on the building, I'm not going this. You understand? Make sure you pass every day, 7 o'clock.
Alright.
Don't be late.
I make a give money, bossy.
Dog, you know, say boy call me over this and I tell me be a sad story about who film have cancer and who some dead and something, dog. I remember so what day you see one look at youth and you say you're sorry for him, dog. I mean, no, it come like one wave a sadness come take over me, dog, when him tell me who have cancer for him and all who are suffering and something, dog. But right now, I just have to give him a 250, dog. You know, I don't think me will take no more money from the youth then, dog, if you tell you the truth.
True, bro. I said thing me did that tell you, you know, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And see what goes around come back around.
I said, say come back around, bro. God, no, dog. Oh, God, bro.
Yo.
You know, something think me kind of easier for their life, I do, dog.
Yo, dog, no easy off, brother. Remember you tell me, say, if you don't give up, you know, brother. Believe, bro. You'll change the spot. You saw a cancer spot, bro. 6 spot this.
Alright.
You know, some call that one. Where you come from? What is that? What is
Oh,
that?
go on.
What is that?
Eh?
Yeah, yield you. So, let's say, we can get some food now, because it's 2 days then gone now. Gone.
Oh! So I feel like, say, so the 2 days then gone, if you come in, come just eat, so you know, 2 hands. And it's 2 in there.
I just want to say food, you know, but anyways, why do you want to call you yeah, pick palm, man? You see me? But that's how I tell you someone that money to pay the toll. My tax me.
So, yeah, take my money and I give people.
One for the man, I'm going to be in the man and say, I didn't run the place, and I say, man, I'm a bad man.
You know, can't me go to them. To me, I'm last thing, I'm not afraid of that boy, you know.
But no worry about that, still. Them good. But guess what? Them boy, they listen to me now.
You!
Yeah!
Listen to you!
Him listen to me right now.
Come
I
on,
say, uncle, watch it now. Uncle, watch it now. I'm in foot, me making him brush. Me just say brush this. See me.
You! Turn
Yeah.
bad man!
No bad man, but I respect. We are done here now. You see me?
You know what is that done? You know what is that done?
I tell you, you don't know what say. Me go over the nigga yard. Cause my man encourage me, you know. Say me if you go over there, you know. Me go over there. Me hear, stop. That's how I'm going in, so. Me think, when me guy win that, I feel one me see over my tongue beam, so.
All I got tell. Me know him.
Okay.
I'm going to have bad man tonight.
Yeah.
No woman couldn't do me
Feel
so.
woman me see over there beat.
Me say no woman couldn't do me so.
So he tell me, say, every time I pass, me forgive 5 bills. So me say to him, say, yo, every time, you want to see me tell you that, so me tell up. Me say,
Every
yo,
time you pass, we give 5
every
grand
time I
now.
pass, you have to give me 5 grand, you have to be there every morning, 7 o'clock, don't late.
Right, so you know what I mean now.
Hmm?
Every man, you go on the road and come back, we get 2-5.
No, uncle. That the money they gone. Am I living this and all, man? I eat me a some survive.
Every time we take up something broad type boy, we can get. Alright, I in there the sleep.
We were sitting slow today, man. They come here, I have to go find an occupation or something, dog. Tell her. They pan base though. Yo. Oh no. I go on. Where are you, General? There, man. What time now? Huh? What time now? 11:31. What time now? 11:31 a.m. You don't know what's a payment time. Man. Oh. Procedure. Father. Yo, no disrespect now, the General. Boss. I don't know say, dep on your sin and nothing to his one car. Come out late this morning, see me second like you know, reach it though. No, father. You don't say I play. No, father. What kind of play? You don't know, I see himself, I didn't know, I know who though. You can't hook me already, you know. Oh gosh, you didn't play like them and I say, the General, remember say that's how we used to go on. Oh, yeah, what? I give you a look blind. But if you circle back, make sure you have a piece of dough for me, you see me? Alright. Make sure you have a piece of cheese. Alright. I understand? Yeah, man. Alright, go on your thing. Alright, looking at Yo. Wait there. How about that? How about that? I'm craving here. What you think, man? Easy, General, easy. We get it. You never know see a smoke. What's going on? Bad boy. Father, yeah, buffing pan. Easy, man. You can't buffing pan the road. So you must listen to now. Easy, man. Go somebody see. You mean easy? Don't do that again, man. Watch out, man. Know what you feel do, man. You know what you feel do. You feel you know nothing. You liar, boy. I don't see a smoke, my General. I don't see a smoke. Easy, man. Watch it in the yours. Easy, man. Make sure in the fall back you have a piece of dough. So anyway, if you get it when I get it. Boy, you know nothing. Liar, boy. Yo, man. It's just hard to know, man. Oh, man, come right on. Me dad. Yeah.
Bossy.
Why pray?
What one right ago?
What one?
I want to see you look at juvenile at the pier.
Oh, you see?
I love puffing chest.
Puff chest? My chest? Oh, gosh, man. Tibi arm to you, man. You see a dirty one, look at dirty spot. They put me shot on the boy, brush off. But what kind of puff chest?
Oh.
Yeah.
So, you craving here. Are you taking from?
Take what from who? What kind of Tibi, oh, gosh, man. You know, say, the boy tell me, say, from when he not smoke and sitting, because he mother stress him out, and I say, father, hold on, and this, man. He just let him grab you out of me and know which me should have boxed him for that still, but.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because I know no boy can't do nothing, you know.
No boy, man. No boy around town. I want,
but we come like, up on the work, up on the grind.
Yeah, man, you know, say, we have some extra bills to take care of now, so we have to put up extra early.
You want more money that.
Yeah.
So, you're not making no friend there?
The road slow today, but we there all out to do.
Must you want quiet.
Passing.
Uncle. How are you in my yard? Hey! Where are you?
That's it.
Do you see Uncle smoke? Eh? You ever see Uncle smoke? How are you? Alright, you write that down for me.
Watch out now. I mean, I done my place, and you see me? Yeah, man, I'm controlling a little substance and then something. I'm just bad up with that out already, say no.
You bad up with that?
Taking, as somebody deal with him, I'm taking gravy him. I'm telling you,
touch me again. Man, use the piss pot and lick you.
No way, I do, man.
Man, use the piss pot and lick you.
Respect if you have that now.
You know, come in the content, you know. Come and put out your box and then know what you are doing there.
Put out two.
Then know what dirty underpants you have put out in there. Now wash them.
The two you can put out.
Eh?
Relax.
But you are done way.
Respect your
I'm true that the boy don't know what you are doing over here, you know. But done. A Dan alone if you have woman. You know no woman. Any man who say them a Dan and they don't know woman is not a Dan. It's a Dan 222.
Listen now. Remember say, nobody black the nigga there now, you see me? So me I run off the place now. Remember say I have proof. Yeah, come tell me say. I'm to you.
Alright, like how you the dance. Give me some money. Cause I want to buy the whole heap of things in the house needed. Come.
Uncle, you have to go look okay now, still, you know. You have to go look okay now.
Say under my roof.
You have to go look okay now.
Under my roof, I tell me, big man, to go look work.
Yeah, man, you have to go look okay now.
Hurry, come up, boy. I can't tell me if you go look up. Ungrateful boy. Yeah, put on the mask like you dey walk around people at night time.
Uncle, you know, you have to go buy, you have to go start, put some food in your house, cause you know.
I go and take your picture and go down a station and go tell them say they broke people house at night time and tell them say you're the dad and you're thief.
What about people?
So we are did in a mask.
How you are?
Drop it.
How you are?
Me told you over here. Say. You want me? Oh, what?
No, yeah, they don't put no food in your house.
Me not cook. Dan, one go see somebody on the road and check them and get food. One.
So I go in your house. You come back out, man, some money.
You don't see a bright boy. You don't see a bright, you know, long one. You finally lick your backside, but Dan.
Yebs.
Walk on, sweetie.
I tell you now.
No, so wait, before we go further. Tell me what happened, because I don't want to go there and hype up and sweet up and nothing.
Oh, actually they are chatting now. Remember they are baby.
Never know
But
that.
remember say you tell me
me
say
tell
you-
you say you think of water done. Me dey tell you say they kind of bad.
Mr.
But
B.
they tell you say them fully bad.
Mr. B, you say me pull up on the boy.
Mhm.
Body, I'm gonna say to you dog, say yo. Come go out there go see my black sock, you know, cause them done there, you know. Go out there, man, I say yo. What time them a tell me about, tell me time, So I say, no man, a tax time and thing. You know, and the money. So I say, I give you a blight. I go down the road now, man, say look back, I boy, I say, I take out Craven here. So I grab him. And shot him. And take that from him. Indeed, oh, you can't get
So we
him.
go say you think of water done.
Give
You see
me-
me tell you all they did want to my
I mean, when I have to
confidence
play
and
now still.
boosting. They don't have to play.
Yeah, man, they
Yeah.
respect me now. Then
Good.
you see me, nothing more.
But only one of them here mention. What about the next one?
Oh, him. Boy, me not proof on him, so.
Oh.
But fan,
But remember say you done,
done.
remember say Fanny done good on the rest of
Yeah,
them and go
man.
softy.
Yeah, I mean, run things now.
Yeah.
I hear me, I go check to right
Alright,
now,
go
too.
on man, show them say I
Yeah, man, me I go down there for the
walk with your chest high
Up there,
again.
up there.
Yeah.
Yo, man, tell you, man. Right now, I can't continue to live like this. So, boy, I have to see the road and feel like saying my best thing ever. You know me? Right now, me I don't put a stop to this. And you know, I see the boy today. And you go on like say, you want to come, tax me. Drape my body and stay there. You have to go. Yo, me not take this no more, because I'm a bad boy for throwing me. Can't take this no more. Me have to fuck up. It's a girl and me not watch me. Yes, darling. How come Boba?
How are your relationship? Why you look so afraid?
Oh, no, man. I'm there, I made small life, man, I know.
Oh. Me I say to you, say, me need to do something for me today.
What?
Me ask if I can stay in the yard, wash up the little two plate them, and wake up the yard. Please, cause sometimes I ask if I do something, you're not doing it. We don't like what you do sometimes. And sometimes I really actually do not want to hit you. I never mean to lick you some of the time. But actually you're not here. And when me dad grew up, when me not here, my father and mother beat me. So I saw me grow up. So if you're not here, you must get beaten.
No.
So I'm sorry for your bad abuse here.
I don't father and mother, you know, but that would still. And I'm decided to hit this, you know. But that all that good still.
Wait, I'm gonna go about eat this.
No, I say I hit this, like, you know me, I hit this, I start to be right, you know.
Oh, yes. So you're sure you are and everything?
Sure about, you know.
I'm really and truly sorry for you, me behave. And we are show it off for you and
Yeah,
everything.
man. So I said, just stay into the and go on.
Yes, don't go on the road. Just stay in. I'm going to go and bed. So don't move, I'm going to bed. So I'm come back and see you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, 3 now. Yeah, man. Oh, fear boy. Who that? No fear nigga with animal son of person. Oh, so you just come so ask me. What go on? Anything you have, I can give me, you know. Oh, you don't know, say. I'm here done now. I'm here run off things now. They give me everything we have.
What can I eat, boy? Gouch done. I want done round here. And I David done. Hey boy, I eat that. If you touch bad man pocket. I don't matter for. Boy, come over here, so boy. Turn up here, so. Don't move when I call it done.
I'll show it. I have a video to show you.
Boy, not show me no video. Any video you have to show me. Show it done when it done forward. Hello. Yo,
Yo, I pray.
how are you there?
Remember some song for up on the black door, dog.
Alright, hurry up, come. You have a one client I'm hold on, you know.
Where's the life? Money active?
Yeah, man.
Alright, I'm the palm way in no time.
Ah, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, when it done come. Yeah, boy, nasty, man.
Look on the place and he stay here. And I can tell me about him around damn ship. Eh? I'm gonna show that nasty boy then what is damn ship. No wait. Alright, damn ship now. Damn ship.
Yo, when it done come, I talk to it. Yo, fuck off this to you. I don't even know bad man. Yeah, come put on mask. Hey, boy. I will run, boy, you know. You're full of too much chat, you know. Can't wait till you done forward enough to start. Boof up there, you know, boy.
Hey.
Yo, come on. Cut that boy out.
What's up, one? Where are you? You don't know, say, I this nigga here say, my hold me and one bag of something. I say, yo, call it. You don't tell him what go on. What go on?
What you go on?
Me show you one.
Yo, how you do, brother? How you do,
Watch
man?
out, relax, man. You don't think you public need to go.
What kind of... Yo, how you do, brother?
I'm a general.
Yo, me no want to see nothing,
Don't
you
watch
know.
now.
Yo, me no want to see
Look
nothing.
at my you. No, I would this here. I get me.
Hold on, let me see that video. Let me see that video.
Look on the video. You don't remember when me
So
show you
bossy.
this time.
See, I've seen me to get them out of here.
Baby, how long me here for?
Years now, bro.
You ever see one girl boxing?
No?
You ever see a boy boxing?
Then I hear that.
If you look, you should have looked in your head for that. But you know, you know, see a AI that. You don't know about it when you call it artificial intelligence. You really had this man that they are sat on in
AI show me.
and you there feel like you're lick me.
Hey, boy.
Boy, you know, how you
You
do?
understand?
How you do? Yo,
David!
Alright,
Hello,
watch
man.
out now.
You supposed to play it up. This morning, me wake up, I don't even see you. You gone, where you gone?
You see me down now walk. You know see how I'm you all find someone see where they are and you with one boy.
Yo, if you had him answer.
You can't tell me. Hello, you back up. You back up.
AI that
You
no.
back up.
AI that.
All right, with you.
AI.
Come over here. You come by road, you come go like you're a bad man.
This is no man.
Go
AI that.
ahead, play.
Go up.
Play yard, man.
Idiot boy. You see, I'm me a run thing you know, I'm here done you now. You know tell her what I go on.
I deal with that.
Tear man.
You're my dad, you know.
Really is no man. Are we you not doing you know?
Boy,
That little boy they are baby.
That's certain things that a boy they are going with. Me a call
Not tell
it
her man.
done.
Wicked man thing dog. You don't know.
I'm gonna ask you a question.
Uncle.
You don't feel like saying you have the empty piss pot over there. You the out there with the same robbing man. Eh? We out here no.
Yeah, reason.
Eh?
Yeah, reason dog.
You even use the toilet and a flushing.
What tell her
What?
Uncle, you can't come and embarrass me son.
Embarrass you where? Where? You
Must see me and Dan you know.
don't put out your clothes already, you know.
Yeah, what you do?
So you're good on what take it up. What? Move. Move.
So yeah, deal with me dad, so.
Which dad?
I'm my dad now.
The only dad left here to right now is God.
I beat him, let's beat my friend with my shit.
Yeah.
You want to what I move. Move. You want one to? No man, I dad I know man. Oh.
My dad needs to know.
I don't really care to with my shit.
Yo, lift up for me dad, for me dad have to chop off the head.
Rush.
My dad, no.
Rush.
Boy, me kick in the head.
You got me. Right. When you're my luck.
No boy test.
Right. Now we don't use gun around here.
Alright. Last.
Alright. So you want to know, if you like come here the done, you make sure the lane safe. You make sure no gunman no come.
You're done.
Wait.
My dad that. My boy! Run up, boy, that town.